Happy New Year, everyone. Look like this year has started very brightly and beautifully. Hopefully it also continues smoothly as it started and also ends smoothly. So this is me just starting my new year, my first week and weekend at home after a very tough night shift and just getting myself all settled. After shift sometimes you become very tired, you can't even sleep properly. So I got myself up after a few hours sleep and just going to get myself very bright coffee and start decluttering my house from all the Christmas chaos and all the decoration stuff, and it all looks good and all that, but the worst part is taking everything down back again and to wait for another year anyway. So there we go, almost done, and just going to sit down and relax and refresh our brain as we get on with the daily duties and tasks that we've planned down. So just putting the TV on and just let the background music run smoothly as I start this process. I like that a lot, just putting some sound on before anything else. My resolution this year is to take life slowly and easy each day as it comes. Coming to explore some of the things I got for the holidays. As you can see, my face is so tired. I came from a night shift. I feel so tired. Like I was able to sleep for only about 3 hours and I woke up. I need to redo this living room because there is a mess everywhere, like from the Christmas. The tree is still there, everything is there, the car stuff. I need to clear up things and clean the place up. Well, the Christmas is over. So these are some of the things that I received for my Christmas which I've not really paid attention to yet. Among them is this, my favorite, Baileys. It's like one of the favorite drinks I always have, so it's like a traditional thing that I always get it and I always look forward to it. I don't often drink, but I love it in my coffee or my chocolate. Try it and see in like a hot chocolate. If you put this into a hot chocolate, it tastes really nice. I mean, really good. As I have my hot coffee with me, I'm just going to pour a little bit inside. Oh, this is so nice. As if you had this Irish cream before, you know how it tastes. I also got this Indian sandalwood. That is a diffuser. This one is smell really nice. It's like when you get to that age and you realize the kind of gift that you receive, I'm like, oh, I definitely need this one because the one who got me this gift knows I love like decorations and house and stuff, all that. So this is a perfect gift and I'm definitely going to use it. So that's a massive diffuser. Let me smell it. That smells really nice. And it has a very cute little pot. Look at that. With this going inside, that it's going to look really nice. That's the brand. Good. I've also got some cold going on. So anyway, this is another gift I got. That is a perfume. This is Valentino. They're born in Roma. This is the first time I'm going to like try this perfume. I've been seeing it advertised. It's really expensive, so I've never gone to that to buy one before. So well, this is what my partner got me, and it's really, thank you very much for the gift. I really like it. The smell is amazing. I once saw one of my colleagues at work pass by me and I'm like, what is that nice perfume smell? It's like it's Valentino. I said, Valentino. So she told me the type and I'm like, I love the smell. So this is going to be perfect. This is, oh goodness, it smells really nice. Anyway, so I love the gift a lot. Yeah. Also, when we go here, also this is what my partner got me. It says spa seekers. This is like a voucher for like a spoil your day, spoil yourself for the day, like going for it includes like a massage, facial, spa, so many things. This is a really good, the best I think of them all, because I really need this. I've been like so tired, so stressed for the whole year, all the hard work, graduating in September and all that, and then going straight, I think about 6 days after my graduation, starting work. It's like it's all come together. It's everything is so overwhelming. So I think this is one of the best gifts of them all. So what it is, like it's in a pack. So when I open it, you see it has quite a lot of things written in there that I'm going to, this is find your indulgence. So this is going to be so good. But quite expensive anyway.
The last time I saw something like this, it was almost about £200. This is quite really expensive gift, and I really appreciate it. And this is another gift I got. That's from my sister, and let's open it. Oh God. That smells really nice. So good. Where have I laid? I got so many great gifts. Oh my goodness. Oh, thank you so much. I really appreciate all these gifts. And that is Bellies and Harlin kind of sets, tropical, quite a lot of stuff inside. So that's I think bathing kind of bubble. This one says luxury shower cream. Quite a lot of things inside, hand cream and stuff, body wash, and I think that's a body lotion. Oh, that's a few bits. That's a soap. That's soak crystals. Anyway, so that's a lot of great gifts that I got. I'm so happy. It's like, oh my God, I'm so lucky. Like, where did I lay to get all these gifts? I really appreciate it, because growing up, as I always say in my videos, I did not get gifts from people. My parents, they did not have much to give. They make sure they feed us, make us happy and all that, but things like gifts, birthday cards and all that, I've never had some since I was growing up. So anytime someone gives me something as a gift, I really appreciate it, because why not? So these are the gifts I received, and I'm going to really enjoy. Let me also enjoy my coffee. Ah, this is so good. I feel like I'm having the best time of the day.
Taking the Christmas bit off, I'm starting with the outside. I made that dory for myself. It's just made of pines and bit of bows and stuff. So just taking it out, and that is how the outside look. I did that too. It actually looked good when I first did it, but during I think the 3rd week or so into December, there was a very heavy wind. If you remember, in the UK, there was a very heavy storm. I mean, it blew things away. Like, I was just always like, oh no, these things are going to fall, but then they actually did stay throughout it. So, well, that is all done, and we survived the Christmas and New Year. So time to take the tree down. Finally taking the tree down. I think this is the 1st week into January, and I think this is today's Saturday. Yeah, so just taking everything off the tree and unpack. That tree has made the place look all like nice and cozy. The whole room look all nice, but it's time to take it out, because it blocks. There is a door behind there. That is my little cupboard where I put things like my hoovers and stuff. So before the Christmas, when I put the tree up, I took the hoover out and a bit of cleaning stuff that I will need out of there. So I did not really need anything much in there. Most of the rest of the things I have there are like tools I use for my DIY and stuff. So, and also we have the internet box and stuff there. So that is why I also put my Christmas tree in a box. That big tree is wrapped into this little box and put in there. I'm not sure I'm going to use this tree again this year. Maybe I will have to use a different tree, something that will not share, like something more quality anyway. So time to take all the stockings and stuff off, and wrap everything all away and keep the house really clean. This year I'm deciding to take care of myself, my house, and everything that I love around me. Like, just as I said, take life really slowly, not stress myself at all, just do what I can to make myself happy and my family and anyone else around me happy, and just let life take its own course, so slowly and easily, not rush things around, but just do things like time. Anyway, so just taking the reef all apart. This is how it looks. Anyway, I did this myself because I really did not plan putting the reef on the door this year, but the whole area is like different kind of things going on, so I decided to make my own reef and just packing the rest of the things all into the cupboard. All done. I'm going to pack the one on the coffee table. I also did kind of similar thing on the coffee table, and the whole place, as you can see now, it's looking clearer and clearer as I take most of the things out of the living room. So what I'm going to do today, when I finish packing these things, I'm going to put them all into the little cupboard, clear everything, and I'm going to the carpet is really dirty. I mean, when I mean dirty, it's like it's full of all these fluffs from the Christmas decorations. The tree has shed a lot. If you look properly on the ground, it look a bit greenish. So I'm just going to clear all of it off. When I finish this, I decided to use a hoover, but the hoover was not actually bringing it out properly. I have this brush that I've been using. It works really well. So this is how this thing look. I use that fish wire, chicken wire, not fish wire, chicken wire to decorate, to design the thing I hanged on the front of the door, like, you know, make it like a bowl kind of very big. So yeah, just getting everywhere all cleaned up. I'm going to send that dirt back into the kitchen side. I'm going to, you know, sweep it all over to the kitchen side, because all of that side, the kitchen everywhere, is almost like you can see fluffs and things all laying around on the floor. So just gathering all together and just, you know, bin them and clean the whole place. I'm just quick like mopping and all that is to do. Also, the bin is also very full, so just like emptying everything out of it and, you know, just clear everything out of there. And that's not all. I also have like the kitchen table to do, which and you know, those are the boxes and things I took the Christmas things out of. So packing all our Christmas away. Those cards, I don't like it at all when you have to get rid of cards and stuff. Normally I will keep my Christmas cards, I keep them in the cupboard, and once in a while I go open and look and read at it. And also the olive tree that I got, you know, after the first decoration that I brought out, just leaving it in the corner there too. This time I kept some of them and got rid of the rest of it, as it was going to be like a lot of rubbish in the house, so just clearing it all away. So in the corner there is the lightning stuff that I left. I'm going to use those to decorate for kind of coming spring, between summer too. I'm just going to leave those candles to there to just, you know, break out things. I don't want the place to look bad just with the TV and nothing on top of the unit. I was also thinking to, as I mentioned earlier on, paint the units there maybe dark, but I think everything there will look so black and disappear. So I think I'll leave it dark color, or maybe paint it something creamish. Yeah. And so when I'm going to the kitchen, it's time to clear everything else there so the kitchen can have its life back. When I finished this, my partner said, yeah, that looks better and clean, as you know, those table covered and all this rubbish there made everything look so dirty anyway. So almost done with that. What I did with those lightning candles and stuff is I put into that little box in the corner there on the shelf. That shelf idea, that was last year Christmas, and it still really looked really cute and good. So you see how the table looks now, very clean, and you know, the cover taken off makes everything look more brighter. It has this kind of like a waxy kind of surface on it. I was also thinking to DIY that table and maybe just paint it a little bit like darkish, or apply one of those rustic kind of wax onto it. So well, that's almost done. In the kitchen I did not put much on it, I just put some bit of bows and stuff around it, so that's all easy to clean. Just taking them all off and re-clean the kitchen, prepare it down for, you know, the rest of the year. Easter and so are all coming in. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's video. Happy new year again.